Exercise strengthens and balances the lower facial muscles. The cheeks are lifted and defined, the lips are strengthened and fuller. Additionally, wrinkles around the lips can be reduced with this exercise, as well as nasolabial folds if they are caused by gravitational pressure, volume loss, and muscle atrophy. Let's start with a very simple introduction to the exercise. The first step is to try to relax your jaw joint. Place your fingers on the area below your cheekbone, directly on the chewing muscles at the jaw joint. It may feel very tense and sensitive, but also soft and spongy. Then you inhale, and as you exhale, relax. Press your fingers into the muscles and let your jaw hang loosely downward. Let's do that again. One last time. This relaxed position of your jaw is the foundation for your long, big O. You don't need to forcefully open your jaw. It should simply feel relaxed and open. Try to hold your jaw in this position. Push your lips forward. Then pull your lips tightly over your teeth. Tilt your face slightly backward so that your jaw has room to open. Try to keep your O as narrow as possible. You can gently place your fingertips at the corners of your mouth. And from this position, try to lift your cheeks using your cheek muscles. This can indeed be very challenging at first, as we are working against resistance. We are not making normal facial expressions, but rather working with opposing movements and muscle contractions. Now you are essentially doing two things at once. You pull your lips tightly over your teeth while simultaneously lifting the cheek muscles towards the cheekbones. Almost as if you were smiling, but with tightly closed lips. Hold this position for another 5 seconds. Take a deep breath, relax, and release the position. Don't be discouraged if you find it difficult or feel like you can't sense your cheek muscles at all. It's completely normal not to know exactly what to focus on or how it should feel at the beginning. Just keep going and tune into the sensation. Even if you only feel a slight tingling, numbness, or something similar, that's the first step towards greater awareness of your facial muscles. Let's try this sequence once more. We start by gently relaxing the jaw and pushing the lips forward in one motion. From this position, pull your lips tightly over your teeth. Support the corners of your mouth and begin to lift your cheeks towards the cheekbones. Tilt your face slightly backward. You can place a hand on your forehead if you notice that you're raising your eyebrows and feel tension in your forehead. Take a deep breath in this position. Relax and release the pose. One of the somewhat challenging aspects of the long big O at the beginning is that it consists of many individual parts, and there are many opportunities to build up tension in the wrong place. The areas you should pay special attention to are initially the jaw joint, as the chewing muscles are very strong and tend to take control. If you have a very active forehead, you might tend to raise your eyebrows to perform the exercise as best as possible. So pay attention to your forehead. You can always place a hand on your forehead if you're someone who often raises their brows. This is also an area you should pay attention to. Let's do it again. First, relax your jaw and push your lips forward. Hold the O as narrow as possible, then press your lips firmly over your teeth. Tilt your face slightly backward and begin to lift your cheeks towards the cheekbones using the cheek muscles as if you were smiling, but with tense lip muscles. Try to relax the jaw area as well as your forehead and focus the muscle tension on the mouth and lips. Secondarily, also on the cheek muscles. Hold this position for just a few more seconds. Take a deep breath and relax and hold for a moment. Release the pose. Perform this exercise several times a week for full cheeks and even fuller lips. If If you liked the video, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips.